So hi everyone, my name is Charles Oyamo from Rethread Africa, and we are shooting this video from the lab. Behind me is a bioreactor, and essentially this is where the magic happens. But right now, so what's the magic? Right now the magic looks something like this. So this is dissolved sugarcane bagasse, which is a byproduct of the sugar making industry, and we have small microbes feeding on the bagasse particularly. And the reason why we are doing this is you could essentially train microorganisms or bacteria to break down any form of organic waste and make PHA, or a plastic alternative called PHA. PHA is a polymer that resembles plastics in form, function, and feel, but it's not made from fossil fuels. So we are avoiding the extraction of fossil fuels to make plastics, and it can be used to make clothes, so replace polyester. It can be used to make shoes. It can be used in the healthcare industry to make implants because it's biocompatible. The interesting thing about PHA is it can be recycled up to 6 times depending on the use case, and at its end of life, it breaks down to naturally return the nutrients back to soil. So why is this important, or what problem are you trying to address? So there are key 2 problems, right? Number 1, if you pick any random African village, chances are that the poorest person in this community is a smallholder farmer. And today, because farmers are under pressure to produce more or to clear their lands faster for the next harvesting season, they usually burn whatever remains at the end of every harvest season to clear their land, which is the fastest way of clearing their land. This not only contributes to greenhouse gas emissions in rural communities, but it also means that farmers are losing up to a third of their crops in value every harvest season. At the same time, in many urban communities, in many urban developing regions, food waste and organic waste is the largest contributor of landfills across the continent, right? And at the same time, we are using more fossil fuels to make clothes than we do to send rockets to space.